Window cleaning seems like an easy job that anyone can do, but are you aware that there are problems that come up that only seasoned professionals know how to address? We can answer all your questions regarding chemical residues, hard water stains, and more. You'll know exactly what to expect when we come inspect your premises for a no obligation free of charge estimate. Schedule us today so you can see clearly tomorrow. We've been serving the community for years and are known as the most respected name in professional window cleaning, both residential and commercial. Our technicians are trained and properly licensed and insured to perform any specific service you require. We offer one-time cleaning quotes or can accommodate large jobs on an ongoing maintenance schedule. Call today to get your questions answered and set an appointment. We look forward to serving you soon.